Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 13th to 25th. For August 13th to 17th, we still have positive height anomalies here across Alaska and Greenland. And we have a trough here over the northwest and the northeast. And a fairly strong ridge here centered over the southern plains, maybe portions of the lower Mississippi Valley. We will have a frontal boundary that will move southeastward through eastern and central U.S. early in the period and then stall over the southeast late in the week. Expect widespread showers and thunderstorms to move southward from the northeast and Ohio Valley on Tuesday into the southeast and Gulf Coast by midweek. August 16th to 20th. Okay, let me see. Okay, we have two tropical systems in the Western Pacific. Here's one. Oops. And here's the other. And we have, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Likima, and that's southeast of Beijing. And we have Crossa, and Likima is forecast to stall as it misses a connection with the trough that is moving through Northeast Asia. We'll go to Northeast Asia. Okay, and then by this weekend, Crossa will track towards southern Japan over the next several days, with any impacts coming to the middle or next week. The next trough moving through Northeast Asia later in next week, it will be stronger. You see right here. And this will and a connection will be made with both tropical systems. This in turn will help strengthen the Aleutian Low and the Gulf of Alaska Ridge, and we'll take a look at that. Which model do I have? Let me see if I can. Here's the Aleutian Low and the Gulf of Alaska Ridge here. So the strengthening of these features will be a player downstream with the upper low in northwest Canada, and in turn take a swing enough south to keep the heat at bay across the north central states and upper Midwest and the Northeast. Here's our upper low here over northwest Canada. So during this period, the flow will be nearly zonal, and we will have a trough forecast over western Canada that's going on if everything goes the way it's supposed to go across the Western Pacific and the Northwest. Some of the models are forecast. This is wait, got to back up. There's a lot, like I'm going through everything in my head. Some of the models are showing this trough here over Western Canada, but on the other hand, there'll be a trough over the north. The flow will look something like this: nearly zone of flow and near above normal heights, and here's our strong ridge. That's what most of the models are showing. So I'm going with that this will occur. The interaction with the trough over Northeast Asia and the tropical systems. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, And I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And we have below normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting numbers of 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Then we have below normal precipitation forecast here. And across this area here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now, still going on, talking about what's going over the Western Pacific with the tropical systems. This is what I'm forecasting for this period. This would be for August 21st to the 25th. And we have still the positive height anomalies over Greenland and Alaska weaken as we go through the period. And we'll have a nearly zone of flow across the nation with near to above normal heights. We'll have a trough here. We take a look at the other models. So overall, they're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm still forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal and below, and no below normal temperatures. I'm going to disregard that. That's pretty much near normal, but above normal temperatures here. So forecast anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And the forecast of probability is 35 to 40%. And then we have below normal precipitation generally east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. I think it may even be lower than that, but I'm going for now 35%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 13th to 25th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.